Hi, we're Commerce Layer, an enterprise-grade e-commerce engine that makes it easy to go headless. We put together a quick video to explain why you might switch to our platform from Magento. Let's dive in by looking at a few examples from former customers who explained why they switched. First, Magento can be very slow, and speed of your checkout is critical to your sales. Second, it's expensive. Licensing fees, maintenance, and third-party integrations add up quickly. Lastly, Magento's technology stack is overly complex, making it difficult to customize the user experience and a lot of trouble to maintain. So, what makes Commerce Layer special, and why should you switch? First, we're fast. Our API response time is cited as one of the fastest of any e-commerce platform in the market. Second, you can build a prototype in days, not weeks or months. Start with our micro front ends to build directly in your website and go from there. Third, we're super focused on commerce and manage the life cycle of your orders through our order management system. Finally, our customers love us for our transparency, customer service, and best-in-class documentation. Simply put, we've built the most scalable multi-market API for any business model across any channel, online or in-store. If Magento has become too hard to use and too expensive, and you're looking to change, then let's set up a meeting. We look forward to chatting with you. Have a good one.